If you want to import a video into the iMovie app, this is the way to do it. It's very simple. You only have to tap on the plus sign, then you're gonna get this menu, tap on movie, and in my case I have to wait a little bit because I have a lot of videos. But once you have the all your videos, you can like see them and pick which one you prefer. In this case I'm gonna pick this one, and you have to make sure that you get the little icon, the blue icon right here, and then you only have to tap on create movie, and then the video is gonna be in the timeline, and then you can start with your editing process. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.